Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting your Kaggle JSON from your account. This is the only credential the API accepts. Once done, upload that file into the Colab runtime, then move it to /root/. Kaggle and set permissions to 600 so the kernel can access it securely. Make sure to pip install Kaggle next, because without the package you cannot call the API. These steps establish authentication and the client. After that, you're ready to call dataset download commands. You next locate the dataset identifier on Kaggle, owner/name, and then run the Kaggle command to fetch it. For example, use Kaggle datasets download owner/name p/content, unzip to save and extract directly into Colab storage. Once executed, make sure to inspect file names. You can use F to pull specific files when archives are large. If you prefer, download first then unzip manually. This gives you control over disk usage and lets you preview contents before loading into memory. You finish by loading the extracted files into pandas or your training pipeline. For CSVs, use pandas. Read CSV with the /content path. If you want persistence, move the folder to Google Drive, but make sure to mount Drive first. Otherwise, files vanish when the session ends. If something breaks, check the API token. A 403 or unauthorized error usually means the Kaggle JSON is wrong, misplaced, or permission bits aren't 600. Re-upload and rerun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.